a murder investigation is underway after a boy was fatally stabbed during a row at a Tusla-run care facility in Donaghmede in North Dublin.
So Gardaí were called to this apartment in the Grattan Wood apartment complex in Donaghmede yesterday, just after 11 a.m. Now, they had reports that there had been a violent incident there. When they arrived, they found a teenager. He's a juvenile. We understand he's 17 and he's from Eastern Europe. They found him badly wounded at the scene, and even though he was treated by paramedics, unfortunately he was pronounced dead at the scene. They also arrested a second boy who was there. He was also from abroad, and we understand he's 17 as well. That boy also suffered injuries in the incident, and a care worker who was providing care to 4 teenagers at the apartment, she was also wounded. So those 2 wounded people were taken to hospital for treatment, and as I say, the 17-year-old who was wounded, he was arrested, and Gardaí are hoping to interview him today. So the guards are basically saying that they believe this is a self-contained incident. They believe it happened within the apartment, and they're not looking for anybody else in relation to the incident. Tusla, the Child and Family Agency, they issued a statement yesterday, and they confirmed that this apartment was one of their residential units. Now, it said that it was being used to house 4 teenagers, and as you say, they were unaccompanied. They had come to Ireland, and they were being provided with 24-hour care at that apartment. We understand that he had suffered really serious injuries. Certainly some of the Gardaí that I spoke to yesterday said the scene was really difficult. And obviously that inquiry now is underway. There's a person arrested, and the Gardaí are hoping to make very quick progress on that today.